unboxing Christmas gifts, aka what I got for Christmas, or aka what I asked, my big gifts, or my vinyl record setup. So pretty much, I strategically asked for my setup for Christmas. I got it. Let's box it. Um, this is my first setup. So big thanks to my mom. She bought everything for me. Um, thanks, mom. Love you. And everything everything that I got was from her, and also my girlfriend. She also bought me a record player. They both bought me record players. They didn't know they were buying two record players, so I have to return one. So, but yeah, thanks. Hold on. This is my girlfriend. I'm gonna return hers because hers isn't the same quality as my mom's. But big appreciation to her. Love you. And then we are going to unbox the big boy and unveil the great, and the one that I had to return too. Actually, I had to return everything. I literally just came back from the store from returning this. But I got the Audio Technica. Oh wait, let's put down Audio Technica LP70 BTX. So at first I got the LP the AT-LP 70 X. So the regular one without the Bluetooth, pretty much. And I got it regularly, right? And I was like, dang, at the time my speakers didn't come in. I get my speakers. I'm gonna show you the speakers. I'm gonna show you my speakers in a little bit too. And like, dang, I just got my speakers. It's like the third. Where are those at? Well, where are my speakers? Let me go ahead and unbox my speakers. Or unbox my record player and play it off my little speaker. Man, coming to find out, I can't even do that because it's not gonna Bluetooth on it. So I had to go back. I put the rest of this on my card, and the difference on my card, and got the Audio Technica, Audio Technica LP70. Oh, you can't even see it. Yeah. So yeah. And then here are my speakers. I don't know. I forgot what I asked for, but bro, this box is extremely heavy. So we're gonna look. Amplifiers, Bluetooth headphones, speakers. Okay, RS1700 Bluetooth. They're brown. They're the brown ones. Oh my god, these are heavy. Oh my god. These bad boys are beautiful. And you can tell these are hard. Bro, these are like a legit 25 pounds. Like this is like a 25-pound dumbbell. These are really good actually. I heard these only good things about these headphones. I looked online, and I think in total these are like everything gonna come out to like $500 in this video. I didn't want to get a cheap setup. I wanted something to really play my music, but something to really go well. My first setup, one thing that lady outside always taught me, bro, go out there, get you some quality. And she always stood on her word about that, so. Hey. Well, let's look at the speakers, because why not? We're gonna keep this video going. First look, first taste of the speakers. God, everything's cluttered, hold on. I had to throw the box away. I had to throw the box over there. Oh my god, bro, these speakers are freaking huge! Bro, these speakers are freaking huge. No, these are not a joke. These are actually these are huge. Bro, these shits are huge. Yo, these shits are huge. Yo, I'm loving it. I'm loving it, dude. I'm loving it. I feel like a little kid again. I'm actually loving it. I'm actually loving it, yo. I'm about to have this bitch jumping. I'm about to have this bitch jumping. I'm about to have this bitch jumping. I'm about to have this jump jumping. I'm about to have this jump jumping. Oh my goodness. I'm about to have this jump jumping. I low-key threw it earlier. I'm unconsciously not knowing what it was. I'm about to have this jump jumping. Alright, look. This is my uncut raw, like, first impression of everything. Like, bro, I'm about to have this jump jumping. This is nice. I've never had my first, like, this is crazy. Wow. These are mine too, like, wow. That's crazy. These are mine. Like, wow. 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 Anyways. Oh, ooh, shit. Alright, let's unbox them. Oh my god, look at green. Sorry. They look good. These look good, bro. These look good. And it's heavy too. It's not like no light little box season. Not like a little light no BS head speakers. These look like a good quality head speakers. I love it. Anyways, let's open up the vinyl record player. Let's see what we got in here, man. I like the fact that I'm into this type of stuff. If you guys are enjoying watching, please make sure y'all like and subscribe. I really appreciate like watching y'all come in my videos and actually comment. Watching me do crazy stuff like this. This is crazy to me because you know me being me is cool. So hope y'all watch y'all like watching me do me stuff. This is stuff I got for Christmas, so it's just kind of really nice to see people be interested in doing me stuff. These are some big ass speakers. Actually, my sister probably got big ass speakers for Christmas, and she bought them. So cool. I wanna. Yo, I gotta slow down. Where is the other? Oh, it's right here. I'm bugging. It's right here the whole time. Other dust cover. How you put the dust cover on? Doesn't tell you. Cool. Good to know. Good to. I think I don't know how I could connect these. Might just be Bluetooth. Nah, but it should be wired too. I want to do wired because people say wired. They say Bluetooth is worse than They say Bluetooth is worse than wired. I want to try wired and I want to try Bluetooth at the same time. Not at the same time, but to compare. I think it's gonna be a difference for real, but you know, fucking people. But anyways, dust cover on real quick. This is nice. Look at this. Nice. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, look at that. Open. Oh, hold on. Open. Oh. Ain't that gonna be cool in my room? Yup. Yup. Ain't that gonna be cool in my room? Hold on. I'll get y'all to see this. This is gonna be nice. And it's gonna be cool in my room next to these big ass speakers. I mean, man, where do I even start? The brown goes so well with the black. It just fits so well. Just fits so well. I don't know where and I gotta build a shelf for all this too. Like I actually have to build a shelf. Like I told myself I was gonna stain myself a shelf and make all this stuff. I gotta find out what color brown this is and just make a shelf. I'm gonna go make a shelf for this and put it in my room and go on by that. And go about my day like that. So yeah. Let me Sorry, someone's at my door. Yeah. All right. So here we are. I'm about to plug it in. I'm gonna grab a record as well, actually, because I think. What? Oh my. All right. So we got. I'm gonna come grab a record real quick. We got a couple records we could grab. I think I'm gonna play. I'm gonna grab my first record I ever bought. For sure, man. I gotta grab it, bro. So I want to see if it played too. I want to see if it played too. I hope it does because it's been in my room for the longest. But it's definitely thought breaker, bro. It's definitely thought breaker, bro. I want to see if it plays, but. I think I might have it actually. I think it just synced by itself, because it said that if once it is ready, it will stop blinking. And you probably can't see it, but the button is a little light. I can't see it, but this light stopped blinking. This is the record, Stop Breaker by Chief Keef. Hopefully it plays. Let's see. I'm gonna put it here to spin. Up. Oh wait. Here to lift up. Oh wait. Oh, I'll put it on myself. Oh. Okay, wait. It's a little staticky, but it's all. Oh, it's fucking working. I got it. It's a little fuzzy, but ew, it's loud. It's so crisp. Oh my gosh. Baby, my number two. You know I gotta count on you. What's up with you? The girl like baby, they didn't fuck with you. Like, you know they want number six, I'm gonna fuck with you. She's pulling on my hair, shitting on my ears. Nothing got me all the time, running middle like shit. She in the middle, buzz you, running like shit. Don't mind that, better stop it off of mine. Don't turn that shit off, fucking copyrighted. But bro, that shit is so good, bro. It is so good. It is so freaking good, bro. It is so freaking good, bro. Like, she gon' let me go. Nah, that is good, bro. It's crazy good how good it is. The speakers are amazing. Like, it is crazy good. Crazy good. As y'all see, I did just some dumb shit. It's okay. Excuse me. But Merry Christmas to you all, and also Happy New Year. I'm recording this on the 31st. One thing I can say is I didn't want to get copyrighted, so I had to cut out most of this part. So all I'm doing is listening to SoCal by Chief Keef on that album, The Stop Breaker. I have another video coming out that is for 1,000. That's my vinyl for 1,000. Or Heavyweight Champs. Sorry. And also, I appreciate all your support. I've been getting a lot of views and this from this channel. It's up and coming. It's growing. I hope to bring a lot of lessons to anybody that come across this channel. This is something I really like to do. That's what I've been doing for years, and not years, but it's what I'm starting to be consistent about for doing for years. So this is what I plan to do for now. But thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna bring y'all with some little outro, and yeah, man. Baby, you know my name. There's no
got no style.
That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. That's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. No, that's hard. That's hard. That's 1-1 for sure. That's for sure hard. That's for sure hard. And I got so many other words I'm gonna play. I'm gonna come back and play. I appreciate y'all boys for watching. It's your boy Lee. I'm out this jump. Peace.